believe it or not, that's the sun. That's how much smoke is out here right now. Well, here's the hill that was on fire. And I guess apparently still is. There's some spots that you can see. There we go, right there. It's apparently still smoldering. But now the freeway right here going up the hill is completely shut down both directions. And I live back over that way. Well, looks like they got the road back open. On my way to work. Can't really see much on the hill, but that's the hill that was on fire. Tons of smoke. I don't know if it's new smoke or old smoke, can't really tell. But yeah, they got the road reopened. Huh. There's some of the fire. Wow. All the way up here. That place narrowly escaped. Look at all that. Crazy. You can definitely smell burnt stuff. That's crazy. Well, crazy. Looks like they got it all put out though. Hopefully the rain last night, we got a lot of rain last night. Hopefully that helped. So, alright, that's your update.